FFW for Tarrant. I just got it.
To roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, DeSoto, Bedford, Cedar Hill, Haltom City, Duncanville, Hearst, Burleson, Waxahachie, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, and Midlothian. This includes the following highways.
We're talking about some different, or is this the FFW?
Interstate 35 near mile marker 435. Interstate 20 between mile markers 429 and 465. Interstate 30 between mile markers 8 and 41. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warning.
Yep, there it is. FFW. Let's go, finally got in time.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Tarrant County.
Molly, what are you doing in here?
12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.25 inches.
Molly, what are you doing in here?
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
I can only do this one.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie.
Okay, Google.
Euless, Bedford,
No, cancel.
City, Keller, Hearst, Burleson,
Cancel.
Watauga, Colleyville,
Alexa, read my notifications.
White Settlement,
One new notification
Forest Hill, and
from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Grand Prairie. It will be in effect until October 5th.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Yay, finally got in time. Let's go.